Hi, this is Marie Lundi with Keller Williams. And so when working with buyers, I am often asked, hey Marie, when will I know that I found the right house? And so today I just want to give you a few pointers of what to keep in mind during your home search. And so I often tell the buyers that I work with that the first thing that you're buying before buying the house is actually the neighborhood, right? So it is critical that before you venture out, that you have a clear understanding of where you want to live. And so are you looking to be close to public transportation? Is a particular school district important to you? Are you looking to be close to the airport because you travel a lot, right? So before you go out and actually physically look at houses, the first thing that you need to be 100% clear on is the location of where you want the house to be. Because guess what? You'll never be able to change the location of the property. Once you identify the location of where you want to live, then you want to consider the style of home that you're looking for. And so are you looking to live in a condo where you don't have to worry about any exterior maintenance? Are you looking for a one-level type of a living space? And so in which case a ranch would be appropriate for you. Are you looking to have maybe one bedroom on the first floor and the others on the top floor? Right? And so that's once again a different style of a house. So definitely consider the style of the house that you're looking for before venturing out. And so once you have identified the location, the style of house that you're looking for, then start thinking about the amenities that you would like to include in your home. And so on this list, you want to identify your non-negotiables, your must-haves, and what are your nice to haves, right? And so on this list, you may want to consider, are you flexible in having central air? Are you looking for a large yard and that's a non-negotiable? How are you in terms of parking space? Is a driveway sufficient, or do you have to have a garage, right? So those are the types of things that you need to consider. Once again, have a list in place before you start venturing out and looking at properties. And so to recap, the most important things that would need to be on your list in terms of what you're looking for are location being the number one factor, the style of house that you're looking for, have a list of must-have versus nice-to-haves. Lastly, the condition of the property. Are you flexible in doing some work to the property, or are you looking for a house that's completely move-in ready, right? And once again, you want to make sure that you are clear on that before you actually start your home search. Now, I gotta tell you, of the items that I've mentioned, condition is probably the least important aspect. Certainly you may find the house that comes very close to what you're looking for that needs painting, right? So that's something you can do. The cosmetic part, quite honestly, if you have the location, you have the style, you have most of the amenities that you're looking for, condition would be, once again, flexible. You should be flexible on condition because those are the types of things that you can change. For example, if you find the perfect house, but it needs an update for the kitchen, as an example, that's something you could always do. You could always add your touch to the property. So once again, these are my advice for the home shoppers out there. If you have any questions regarding your home search, please don't hesitate to contact me. Once again, this is Marie Lundi with Keller Williams, here to help.